So good morning guys, I'm David Sarita Mendao and now I'm going to explain to you rule number 7 risk of collision. So A. Every vessel shall use all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstances or condition to determine if risk of collision exists. If there is any doubt such risk shall be deemed to exist. So it means that you use everything to determine the risk of collision, and if feel there is a doubt and there may be a risk of collision on a certain situation, then you assume that is a case and you act accordingly. So B. Proper use shall be made of radar equipment if fitted and operation including long-range scanning to obtain early warning of risk of collision and radial plotting or equivalent systematic observation of detected object. So it means that it said that you must use the radar equipment accordingly, and how you do that by doing long range scanning. By doing high range scanning will give you an early warning of risk of collision. So C. Assumption shall be not made on the basis of scantily information, especially scantily radar information. So it means that there may be a circumstances that you may be see some information from the radar which is not complete. So if the information is not complete, do not make an assumption, especially the scan radar information.
Example, in this crossing situation, obviously the blue vessel is going to have to keep out of the way of the green vessel. If they just make a small alteration, yes, they've made a bit of an alteration, but the green vessel hasn't been able to see what they're doing. And of course, as the blue one gets closer, they've got to make another alteration, and this is what we mean by a series of alterations. It's not obvious to the green vessel what the blue vessel is doing. And of course, the blue vessel has got to continue making more and more alterations until they get clear. Instead of that, what they should do is make one single bold alteration. Now, when the green vessel is looking over, they can immediately see that the blue one has taken action. They can see a complete change in aspect. They'll actually be seeing the vessel head on now, instead of seeing the broad starboard aspect.